Good day everyone, welcome back to another Dope, and today we're doing an unboxing. We're unboxing the Lisen electric vacuum suction phone stand. This is a phone stand that's going to be perfect for me because I travel a lot and because I like to keep my phone in a usable position. Let's say I go to like a car rental, I primarily would use my phone as the GPS whenever I'm driving around. And because if you go to like different cars and stuff, you begin to realize that all car interiors are pretty different, and also the attachment points for either the vent or even the cup holder location might be in a different position, not giving me the best possible viewing angle if I plan to use my phone as a GPS. Or let's say I'm on a plane and I want to watch a movie, but I want to lay my head to the side and maybe enjoy it from a different angle. This will allow me to position the phone in whatever orientation I want and still get that best possible viewing angle. So let's unbox this, see what we have inside, and see how this actually works and how I plan to use this, and maybe an upgrade I might actually have for this particular device. Let me grab my little tool here. Where's my knife? Knife is right here. Before we dive on in, the packaging from Lisen is always nice and simple. Nice black box with the purple writing on the front, so it's very clear what you're gonna get with respect to Lisen. This is always a nice, clean, simple design, and they always have the model name and model number right in front here. Super easy to understand. This is your user's manual, and also a few other goodies in here. For example, this is a suction plate. So this plate, it's intended to be placed in whatever possible location, and this works well in conjunction with the vacuum. So this allows you to attach very easily to the vacuum because it's a smooth, clean surface. The good thing about this, you could take this off and on as many times as you want without any issues. It's great for traveling around with. And you also have a QR code that you could scan to bring up a video to show you how to use the actual suction mount, but I'm going to show you that in this video. No worries about that. You also have a USB-A, USB-C charging cable. This is great for recharging the device. The device does recharge via USB-C. It's good to have. And here it is. Here is your suction mount right over here with your adjustable arm. This arm allows you to adjust to whatever angle you want. As you can see, it's a very stiff arm. It's very hard to move, which is very good. So which means whenever you have your phone mounted, if you're getting some vibration, it's not going to move. It's going to stay in that locked in position. It does have a ball joint, and this ball joint works in relation to your phone holder right here. So this is a phone holder that you're going to use to hold your phone, and as you can see, the ball joint screws into the back right here. To open the phone holder, you simply have to press this button right here, and it opens the phone holder. It actually opens up a lot wider than this. You press it again and it opens up a lot wider. It's a nice, smooth, clean operation. As a matter of fact, let me take this off. Ah, that felt good. That felt real good. And now you can see the clear Lisen branding right over here. So this is your phone holder. The good part about this, it's extremely universal. Regardless of what phone you have, you could easily put it in this. The bad part about this, it does not recharge your phone. But I have a solution for this. I also have a Lisen wireless car charger. The car charging housing, I'm probably going to switch this out and use a wireless car charging housing that would allow me to recharge wirelessly while I'm going to move, and I'll show you that probably in a later video. This right here, as I said, is the suction mount. We have this little sticky tape right here. Let's take that off. Enjoy that with me. Bam, good to go. Nice. So now you can see this is how the actual device looks. It's a real clean, simple design. Very nice design. And let me just walk you through the actual device itself. So this is a electric vacuum. So you put this on whatever surface. The button to turn it on is actually right here. So once you press it onto whatever surface, it activates the suction, and it actually begins to suck this lip closer to this body. So this lip gets sucked closer to this body whenever you activate this button right here. This does charge, as I said, via USB-C, and to release the device you simply have to press this button right here. You press and hold, and this will actually release the suction, and that will allow you to peel the lid back and take it off of whatever surface. So for example, let's say if this is the surface you want to attach to, you simply have to press. You hear the vacuum going, and as you can see, it's locked in there. The suction is pretty good. It's extremely stiff. It's not going to go anywhere. It's locked in there, perfect for whatever situation you might need. And to take it off, you simply press and hold. You see it releases. You peel it off, and now you are good to go. The vacuum runs for a little bit, and then it turns itself off. And there it is. It's simple, very easy to use. And just for reference, let me show you how to attach the phone holder that it actually comes with. First, you have to unscrew the bolt from it to some extent, and then you take this, you clip this on, and now you have it locked into place right here. And now you simply take this right here like this, and you simply screw it on. 1 second here, making sure I get it in the right orientation. You simply screw it on, and now it's locked into place just like that. And when you're ready, you can simply turn to whatever angle you want and lock it into place again. So again, this is a perfect phone holder for anyone who's traveling a lot, let's say by car and also by plane, and they have to hold their phone up for either looking at it for a GPS or for movies or entertainment, whatever the case might be. This is a great accessory to have from Lisen. So if you're looking for a very easy to use phone holder that does recharge via USB-C, and what's also good about this too, once the vacuum senses that the suction is beginning to loosen, the vacuum actually turns on, I believe, to regain that great suction that you had. So it's never going to lose suction as long as the device has a little bit of charge left inside of it. So perfect accessory for anyone who's traveling, for anyone who wants to hold their phone in whatever position that they want, making sure they get that perfect viewing angle of the phone for the movie or entertainment, or for even GPS. I would highly recommend the Lisen phone mount with the electric vacuum built into it. So until next time, you gotta admit, now that's dope.